Did you know that the best woodworking doesn't always need expensive tools? In this video, I'll show you 20 amazing woodworking tools, all under $50. These are the same smart tools professionals use, but at prices you won't believe. Stick with me until the end, because some of these tools can save you time, money, and completely change the way you work. Need to mark offsets with precision? The Milescraft Center Finder has you covered. And the best part? It's only $6.89. Its notches step in 1/16 inch increments, allowing reveals up to 5/8 of an inch. And if you prefer metric, the 8458 version provides 1 mm steps up to 20 mm, centering on material as thick as 65 mm. Finding the middle of your workpiece has never been easier. Insert a pencil, give it a quick turn, and in seconds you'll have a perfectly centered line. Ideal for shelves, cabinets, trim, and all sorts of woodworking projects. It works on edges or faces of boards up to 2.5 inches thick. And when you're finished, the built-in rare earth magnet lets you store it conveniently on any metal surface. Save time, reduce mistakes, and enjoy flawless results. Milescraft brings smart solutions to every woodworker. Looking to make strong, accurate joints without the hassle? Meet the Milescraft 1332 Joint Mate, your new handheld dowel jig designed for corner, edge, and surface joints. And the best part? It's only $7.01 with 3 metal bushing sizes, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, and self-centering pins. You'll get perfectly aligned dowels every single time. The adjustable fence makes alignment quick and easy, so no more guessing or wasted material. This jig works with lumber from 1/2 inch up to 1.5 inches thick. Minimal setup means you can start building right away, with no exposed or covered mechanical fasteners getting in the way. Strong joints, simple setup, flawless results. That's the power of Milescraft Joint Mate. Need strong, reliable joints for your woodworking projects? Meet the 1JN 400D 400-piece fluted dowel pin variety bucket. Perfect for quick, sturdy connections. Get it now for just $10.87. This set includes 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch birch dowels with chamfered ends for easy installation. The fluted design expands with water-based glues to give maximum reinforcement for your joints. Everything comes in a handy storage bucket, keeping your dowels organized and easy to transport wherever your project takes you. Strong, simple, and versatile. That's the power of 1JN 400D dowels for every woodworker. Need a reliable wood glue for your next project? Titebond wood glue is the trusted choice for pros, and now you can get it for just $9.89. Stronger than the wood itself, Titebond offers professional strength that stands up to demanding projects. Perfect for interior and exterior woodworking, it's tough, durable, and ready to handle extreme weather conditions. Versatile, long-lasting, and easy to use, it's also the best choice for home repairs. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, Titebond gives you peace of mind and flawless results every time. Titebond wood glue, the glue the pros rely on, now in your hands. Need a versatile saw for all your cutting projects? Meet the A-in-1 multi-blades hand saw, your all-in-one solution for drywall, wood, metal, plastic, plywood, and more. Get it now for just $16.98. This adjustable hand saw comes with 8 high-quality HSS steel blades, each designed for durability with a sharpened tip and hardened edge. The lockback mechanism keeps blades secure, and the clever clamping system supports both large and small blades effortlessly. Looking for a compact saw that can cut where others can't? Meet the ALLWAY HSN Handy Saw Nest 7 1/2 inch. Grab it now for just $10.81. This pistol grip keyhole saw mounts in 4 positions, giving you ultimate versatility. Its automatic blade fastening keeps your blade secure, while the set includes 1 metal cutting blade, HB24T, and 1 wood cutting blade, HB10T. Small, handy, and precise. This saw is perfect for tricky cuts and tight spaces, making your woodworking and DIY projects easier than ever. Want to start wood carving but don't know where to begin? The AIZMOZIA 17 PCS wood carving kit has everything you need, all for just $39.99. This deluxe set includes 9 whittling knives, 3 detail knives, a pelican knife, scoring knife, round knife, leather strop, polishing compound, for thumb guards, cut-resistant gloves, and a leather roll-up pouch. Each blade is made from high-carbon steel, sharp and durable for clean cuts on softwoods like basswood, pine, and balsa. With ergonomic walnut handles, you'll carve comfortably and safely, especially with the included gloves and thumb guards. Keep everything organized in the leather roll-up pouch, perfect for travel, workshops, or carving outdoors. Whether you're a beginner or a hobbyist, this kit makes the perfect starter set and gift for anyone who loves woodworking. Need a simple way to hold your projects at the perfect angle? Meet the WETOLS 90 degrees corner clamp set, a must-have for woodworking, framing, and DIY. Get 4 clamps today for just $12.99. These clamps quickly fix boards and frames at a perfect 90-degree angle, fitting material from 3/16 to 3/4 thick. The spring-loaded design provides strong tension, keeping everything sturdy while you nail, glue, or screw. Made from durable polyamide material, these clamps are built to last. Plus, they're lightweight and can even be operated with one hand, making them fast, accurate, and easy to use. Packed in a gift-ready box, the WETOLS corner clamp set also makes a great present for dads, husbands, or any woodworking enthusiast. WETOLS, precision made simple. Looking for precision and clean cuts? Meet the SUIZAN 7-inch flush cut Japanese pull saw, crafted for pros and beginners alike. Get it today for just $39.80. Unlike traditional push saws, this Japanese-style pull saw cuts on the pull stroke. That means it's lighter, requires less effort, and delivers a razor-sharp, cleaner edge every time. Made from premium Japanese steel by master craftsmen in Japan, this saw reflects over 100 years of craft-making tradition. With a 7-inch blade, 30 TPI, and just 0.008-inch thickness, it's perfect for flush cuts and fine woodworking tasks. Experience the difference of true Japanese craftsmanship. SUIZAN, the saw that transforms your woodworking life. Introducing the Clarke Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge, a premium tool every woodworker needs. Built with solid brass, steel, and aluminum alloy, this scribing kit is designed for durability and precision. The bar features laser-engraved graduation marks in both inches and millimeters, up to 6 inches/150 millimeters, making measurements simple and accurate. Its patent-pending roll-stop fence with a flat spot ensures steady, parallel marking along wood surfaces, no more uneven or wavering lines. Plus, you'll receive 2 extra hardened steel wheel cutters, giving you long-lasting performance and unbeatable value. At 8 inches long, this tool feels perfectly balanced in your hand, and thanks to its one-handed operation, marking becomes quick, effortless, and efficient. All this for just $24.99, a small investment for precision, accuracy, and time-saving in your woodworking projects. Looking for the perfect woodworking tool? Meet the Saker 4-in-1 router milling groove bracket. This powerful tool helps you cut round grooves, blocks, and engrave centers with quick precision. Made from strong aluminum alloy, it's light, durable, and easy to use. The detachable design makes assembly simple, giving you flexibility for any project. With both metric and imperial markings, you get accurate results every time. Whether you work on MDF, chipboard, or solid wood, this tool is built for you. At just $25.99, it's a must-have for every woodworker's toolkit. Upgrade your woodworking today. Make your woodworking projects easier and more professional with the Universal Work Grippers, durable, non-slip discs that securely hold your projects in place without damaging the surface. Each gripper supports up to 1,000 pounds and works great for sanding, routing, carving, or even holding heavy furniture. You get 8 stackable discs plus 8 painter points for extra clearance, starting at just $15.99. Say goodbye to rough, sharp, or uneven edges with the Milescraft Edge Sander, the smart solution for smooth, professional results. Its unique V-design sands both edges of a board at once, saving you time and effort. Perfect for veneer, edge banding, melamine, laminate, wood, metal, or even plastic projects. Compatible with any 5-inch hook and loop sanding disc, You can swap between coarse and fine grits in seconds. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, while the non-slip grip gives you control and precision. All this at just $8.79, an unbeatable value. Milescraft, always the better idea. Meet the Milescraft 1334 Joint Master, your ultimate tool for perfect woodworking joints. Priced at just $44.99, this self-clamping aluminum jig creates edge, corner, and surface dowel joints effortlessly. Compatible with 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch dowel pins, it gives you flexibility for any project. Its all-aluminum construction is strong and won't bend, while retractable edge stops align boards automatically for precise results. With hardened steel bushings, drilling accurate dowel holes is easy and reliable. Upgrade your woodworking toolkit and make every joint flawless and strong with the Milescraft 1334 Joint Master. Meet the Oscal Professional Dowel Drilling Jig, priced at just $27.99. This 3/8 inch self-centering jig makes perfect dowel joints fast and easy. Its anti-slip O-rings keep it secure, so you can even hold it by hand while drilling. Made with solid aluminum and hardened steel bushings, it stays accurate for years. Flip-up side stops help align boards quickly, while laser-cut witness marks make positioning holes simple. The built-in depth control system with drill bit and collar lets you set holes from 1/4 to 2 3/4. Upgrade your woodworking with Oscal's Precision Jig. Check out the ToughBuilt TB S200 roller stand, priced at just $54.99. This lightweight stand weighs only 4.96 kilograms, making it easy to move around your workshop or job site. Built with proven ToughBuilt technology, it delivers reliable performance for both home projects and professional tradesmen. Its sturdy construction supports your workpieces smoothly, improving efficiency and safety. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or assembling, this roller stand helps you get precise results every time. Upgrade your workspace today with the ToughBuilt TB S200, a simple, strong, and reliable tool for any woodworking or DIY project. Meet the 6.5 amp 800W wood router, priced at just $39.98. This powerful tool spins at 31,000 RPM, perfect for routing, edging, chamfering, grooving, and surface finishing. Its transparent base and cover give a clear view while controlling flying sawdust, ensuring precise work. Ideal for cabinets, DIY projects, and woodworking, it offers stability and accuracy in every cut. The ergonomic, rubber-covered base provides a comfortable grip, while the depth adjustment knob allows easy, tool-free control. Comes with a 15-piece 1/4 router bit set and all essential accessories, making it a complete woodworking solution. Check out the EZARC 15-piece Countersink drill bit set, priced at just $29.97. This complete set includes 7 tapered drill bits, 2 wood plug cutters, depth stop rings, screwdriver bits, an extension shaft, and an Allen key. Everything you need for woodworking projects. Made from nitride-treated HSS, these bits are tough, wear-resistant, and last twice as long as regular bits. Adjustable depth collars give precise pilot hole control, while the sharp cutters and 82-degree counterbore angle ensure smooth, efficient drilling. Perfect for hand, bench, or electric drills, ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and all DIY woodworking. Meet the MINOVA insulation knife with sheath, priced at just $19.99. This versatile tool is perfect for cutting mineral wool, fiberglass, rock wool, and other insulation materials. The double-sided wavy serrated blade ensures smooth, efficient cuts with minimal chips. Made from premium stainless steel, the 11-inch blade is rust-resistant and durable. The soft grip handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during use. Comes with a nylon sheath for safe storage and easy transport. Ideal not only for insulation but also for yard tasks, trimming grass, cutting ropes, and more. A must-have for DIY and professional use. Meet the Milescraft 3404 PushStick, priced at just $11.99. This essential woodworking safety tool keeps your hands far from blades and bits while guiding wood through saws and routers. The extra tall handle is tilted inward for maximum safety, and the bright yellow color makes it easy to spot in a busy workshop. The bottom is covered with TP material to prevent slipping and protect your workpieces from scratches. Compact and lightweight. It measures 11.88 inches by 8.5 inches by 1.5 inches, making it easy to store and use. Stay safe and precise with the Milescraft 3404 push stick.